Hi there, my name's Dave Cohen. I've been trading the markets now for well over 10 years. Most of this time has been spent trading the foreign exchange markets. Now in this time I've gained a bit of a reputation of being a very cautious trader, and it's a reputation that I'm not ashamed of. In fact, I'm quite proud of it. I tend to take the viewpoint of what can I lose on each trade rather than what can I win. Now because of this I manage each trade closely to reduce the risk as we're going along. Now I've been holding weekly trading classes since the beginning of the year, and it's definitely become apparent that some sort of automated system would benefit quite a few of my students. Now we've all seen expert advisors over the years, and they haven't really delivered what they were promised or what we were led to believe they would do. So I decided to source out a fantastic programmer to automate some of my money management concepts the way I trade manually. So this software is now called the FX-Integrator, and it has a lot of the features in how I personally manually trade. And this is definitely going to help a lot of traders who struggle to control the fear and greed, which is the crux of all trading. People can't handle the fear and greed, and this is why the automated system is definitely gonna help. Now, the FX-Integrator is a money management mainframe for any signal generator. And by what I mean by signal generator is basically an expert advisor, something that's going to produce a signal, whether it's a 2-moving average crossover or it's a stochastic crossover, whatever it is, software that's generating a signal to go short or long. Then it's up to the integrator to take over and to manage that trade closely to reduce the risk at all time, and also to help gain the profits that it should gain. So let's just have a quick look at the integrator here. It's up and running today. So if I click on the smiley face here, you can see that the plugin or the signal generator we're running at the moment is called the bounce back, and we have different ones that we can call upon. We can call on this trade signal G2, or we can shift forward, and eventually we're going to have quite a library of these different systems. For this one at the moment we're trading is the bounce back. Now there's lots of things inside here on the inputs. We're trading in blocks, and this one's a block of 10. We're risking 0.5% per trade. Also we've got set session parameters. We're outside the session that we want to trade. This will trade from 5 AM to 5 PM basically. It'll have one block. We can set that, we can change that setting to whatever, 2 blocks, 3 blocks, whatever within the session. We also have session risks and targets. Also, we'll just scroll down, we can see here we've got controls. We can have a news break control. So there's some data coming out and we're not going to be around the computer, we want to pause the software. We can do. At the moment it's got default setting of 1 minute. You can change that to 60 minutes for an hour or whatever. We've got a close block now feature, and importantly every user of the FX-Integrator will have a personally built license for them, so each license is individual to the user. So they're just some of the features of the FX-Integrator. We also have things like a 2-stage moving trailing stop. We also have anti-spike controls where you don't want to get into a trade on a spike. We also have a flushing smiley face up here to show us when we're communicating with the broker. So these are just some of the features inside the FX-Integrator, but they're all there to help you manage your trade closely and basically make sure you make a profit. Now this is the closest thing to human trading that I've personally seen. I know I might be biased because I've designed it, but it's definitely producing good results. You can see here the trading for today. So far we're 234. You can see here that the last trade we just had was a losing trade, but it was well controlled. So we're limiting the losses and letting the profits take care of themselves. So that's FX-Integrator. If you want to know a little bit more, please click the link below, and if you want to read the manuals or watch the user videos, just click the link on one of the tabs above. Okay, thank you for your time, and I look forward to joining the FX-Integrator community as we build it up. Okay, bye bye.